Hey guys, so we got a little Robux. Actually, no, we got a little Robux to spend today. So, yeah. So why not better spend it on skibidi toilet morphs? But today I'm gonna show you the new morphs. I'm gonna show you the new morphs first. They only came out with 4 today. There's this multiple head morph. Look at that thing. This is a jump scare. It's a pretty cool jump scare. Let's see. Oh, okay. Next, we're gonna do the Speaker Man EXE. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Like this, you just like this. No, I just like this. Oh my god. Here, like this. Oh yeah, and like that, and like. Okay, next is the angel. Alright, and next is this thing. Alright, but now we're gonna showcase these first. Yeah, look at this big thing. This one. Yeah. This one I didn't have to pay for. I found it on a morph. Whatever. This one is big. But today we're going to buy all these other skins that I need to pay for and these packs. And also we're going to go into a public server and do some disasters. So let's do this one. Let's buy this one. See, we have a lot of Robux to spend today. Alright, so we got the scary toilet. Alright, that's cool. Next. See, I like this because they're cheap. That toilet electric. After this, though, I'm going to start saving my Robux. Because this is going to be a lot of Robux. Because the packs are like 400 Robux. So I'm going to save my Robux. So yeah, toilet electric. Oh yeah, that's a pretty cool jump scare. Oh yeah, so I'm not going to be posting for a while because I'm going to be going to Disneyland tomorrow. See, what is that? Oh yeah, this guy's coming for me. Alright, yeah. Alright, look at that. Which one is the real? Nobody knows. Did we already do it? Yeah, we did it. Alright, no, let's get this one. Oh, look at that. What? Okay. So I didn't have to spend any Robux on that. Oh, I think I already paid for this one. Yeah, I already paid for this one. Yeah, and then it didn't give me it. Toilet crawler. Oh, it's only 70 Robux? Oh, look at that. Alright, now the last one. Toilet Zeus. Only 60? Oh my god, that one's so cool. This one's like the coolest one. No. These ones are probably. Alright, now let's get some packs. Alright, this is like 300 Robux. Don't tell me you're gonna show me all of them. Alright. It's the first robot. Oh, look at that. Alright, here's the second robot. Oh, nice. Here's the third robot. Oh, this one's like the classic toilet. Oh, this one's really cool. Because it's like really like detailed. Now this one. Oh, I like this one. Alright, now this. But you know what I'm gonna get after? We're gonna get Become Toilet and troll NPCs and friends. I control NPCs? Bet! Toilet zombie pack. I'm spending a bunch of Robux on this game today. I'm getting all these packs and skins. And I'm gonna get this. And I'm gonna try both of the disasters. Alright, I'll try these. Oh, I'm really excited for the zombies. Oh, look at that! That's amazing! Oh, that looks disgusting. Oh, that one looks cool. This is the one I've played before. Oh, look at that! Now this one looks like old granny. Alright, now we're going for the shop. Become toilet. Oh yeah, okay, we gotta do that in a public server. We don't have to do it in a public server, but I was already a toilet, so. The freak? Let's go to shop. Well, yo, I'm a toilet! Hold up, I'm gonna wait for it to. Yo, see, I'm a toilet. Yo, I can punch? Oh, I can troll NPCs. Says I could What? I can't troll NPCs. Alright, we're doing these disasters. Alright, so. Destroy the city. Spawn big Dracula toilets. We'll turn the city into mush. See this. Oh! Alright, we're doing this. I'm gonna become a Dracula toilet. They're literally destroying the city, bro. Everybody's running away. Everybody's running away. Hold on. No, please. I'm just a little toilet. What do we do? Oh, they don't kill you. They just destroy everything. Oh, well, this is cool. Well, I just basically uncovered where all the toilet morphs are. Okay. I just obliterated this place. Alright, we're going to a new server to do the other one. That was so funny.
Did I leave my phone up here?
No. I don't think.
Okay.
I'm actually using his phone to record. No, I'm kidding. I would like to buy everything, but alright. Let's go helicopter disaster. Spawn horde of helicopter toys and destroy the city. Bet. I'm saving up Robux after this. I did this. They are so slow. Are they even moving? My toilets, like, destroy the city. These are some big toilets. Oh. All these toilets over here. They died. And then they became zombies. Oh, half of Toilet Corp is dead. Oh, okay. No, they destroyed toilet. Oh wait, hold up. What the? Let me in. Let me in. At the top of that is this. Yo, sewers is the only place. A safe place. Oh! If you die, you're gone. Shooting. What is that down here? What? Toilets in space? Yeah, that was weird. Okay, now everything just went back to normal. Alright. Well, see ya.